Hi guys, this is Astha Shah, entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. I am on my way to New Zealand finally. In the last vlog you saw, I was almost up all night packing my bag and it was insane. I'm too exhausted, I've not slept all night. It's 9 a.m. here and our first flight is to Singapore, which is for 6 hours. Second flight is to Brisbane, which is for 7 hours, and then the next flight is to Christchurch for 4 hours. We're flying Qantas also because other airlines were like very expensive. I know the layovers are too much. It's like a total of 24 hours of travel, but I'm just excited to be there now. I applied for this fast track immigration online, so I have like quick immigration done at the Indian airport. My profile just got accepted, I don't know how, and my parents' profile and my brother's profile didn't get accepted, so they are still waiting at the immigration line. It's honestly a dream come true because I'm taking my parents there. Last year, after 10 years, I took them abroad. Now this year, I'm taking them to New Zealand. Last year we went to US. So yes, it's like a very proud moment, I think. That's my dad.
Hi, baby.
How excited are you?
Very, very much.
That's my mom, Mira.
Asta?
Are you excited for the trip?
Yes.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's my brother, who's not going to come in any of the vlogs.
Please don't call me. I'm switching off my phone.
Joel Changi Airport. He's taking a few shots for my vlog.
I know. What story I'm going to put, no? See that tomorrow 100k followers.
We have reached Singapore airport and of course we're going to go to Charles and Keith and get something. I really like this bag. It's for 3,000. I'm thinking of buying it. Show the video you took for 100k followers.
Honestly, you may feel bad. Just. I don't know.
Last cheese sandwich. India says.
You got it.
Dad, how excited are you to eat thepla?
His favorite.
The one thing I can't do without. Chaat masala. We are at the Singapore airport. We had a 2 hours layover here and now we're leaving for Brisbane. Our next flight is Qantas. Our previous flight was Indigo. I was too exhausted. I just slept in the entire flight. I'm gonna sleep in this flight as well. But yeah, this one is a 7 hours long flight. So let's go. Finally on a flight that looks nice. We have blankets. Are you happy? Finally blankets and pillows. What tab? We can watch movies and all in this?
Yes.
Crazy. Pull this up and fix it.
God.
If आगे कोई बैठा है mom. My mom and my dad. My mom sleeping and my dad enjoying looking at her. So cute. We are landing in Brisbane. It's 6 a.m. sunrise time. After 7 hours, we're finally at the Brisbane airport, just looking for a coffee shop to have some breakfast before we catch our next flight to New Zealand. I think this looks like a nice place. We changed our mind. Now we are going to the lounge to eat some food and then we have to run for our flight. Quite a cool way to get hot chocolate.
Where's my coffee?
Here. And it's ready in seconds. We have been to Australia before, that's why we didn't stop by this time. We've been like 10 years ago. It was not as tiring because the flight was quite comfortable, but right now all I'm excited is to reach Christchurch, New Zealand. The next flight is for 4 hours and we're finally going to be there. Finally. Say where we are.
New Zealand.
Yes.
Lovely weather.
Yeah.
Look at the flowers, Asta. They are so
We had
beautiful.
always thought now we want to see New Zealand.
I know.
EZU rental, car rental. We've come to pick a car for the road trip. Yeah.
It was always there, na? We always wanted to go.
How
Can't
cute.
believe
Yeah.
we are here. Believe me. Yeah? New Zealand was always a thing that I don't know whether we'll be able to go or not.
This is our car, guys. And he's gonna be driving the whole trip. We have reached Christchurch, New Zealand, finally, after 22 hours of travel. It was quite tiring and it took us a while to find the Airbnb, but this is our Airbnb. We're staying here for 2 nights. I'm gonna take you through how it looks. This is our Airbnb, guys. The kitchen, the hall. We're 4 of us. It's like one bathroom, and mom, dad's room, my room, and Umang's room. And yes, now we're going to the grocery store because we want to buy a few things, eat out because we are too tired today, and then get home and just sleep. There's also this balcony and like a sit out kind of thing down where we can eat. I like it, it's quite cute. Car for the next 2 weeks. New Zealand में आके first day Bombay Bazaar, guys. Bombay मेरी जान. Guys, you literally get every Indian thing here. Crazy. In New Zealand, you cannot get like non-packeted stuff. You have to get packeted stuff. So we've got like rice, but not like what we make at home. We've got like a branded one from the store. And if you don't even want to get, I think you get every single thing here. Like literally, we've got ready to make food, which you can still buy it here, which is quite cool. I'm like 5 minutes away from our Airbnb.
Shopping in Indian store.
We only got these 2 things till now. It's such a big shopping store.
So tired. It's so heavy.
We earlier went to a Bombay store. We've now come to a proper New Zealand grocery store, which is called Woolworths. Finally, some hot food and pizza. Looks like a nice, cute place, guys. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I know I look crazy right now, but I just woke up. My back hurts because the beds over here are like so soft and like your full body goes inside. Anyway, today is Christchurch doesn't have so many things to do. It's a very small place. So today we're just gonna we've just come here, so we're quite like exhausted. We're just gonna chill, look around the streets. We're gonna go for a gondola ride, and then there's this place called Regent Street or something, or maybe there's a small shopping mall where you get like local brands. So we'll probably go there for a while and then come back. And tomorrow we leave for another destination, of course, about which I'll tell you tomorrow. As a family, I think we're extremely organized with everything we do. Plus, we try doing everything in a budget because we are 4 of us and everything is quite expensive. Like New Zealand generally is expensive, but I don't know, yesterday when we went grocery shopping, it was cheaper than US for some reason. But you know, we always have this Excel sheet which we maintain with us, which has like flights, stay, food, petrol, attractions, miscellaneous shopping, everything we keep note of so that we know how much we spent at the end of the trip, and we try saving up on how much ever we can. Also, the Airbnb we're staying at right now, I think is like 7,000-8,000 per night. We had to just stay here for 2 nights. Actually, we stayed here just to like revamp ourselves, so we didn't want to spend too much on the stay. Home cooked avocado toast by my brother.
आशा बोलेगी क्या बोल दी? I'll eat 4. देखता हूँ मैं.
Oh, this is so big, but I thought mom was saying about the small
No.
toast.
She said I'll eat 4.
Hey, turn right. Oh,
We skipped the gondola ride and saved 2k per person. And now we're walking up to see the 360-degree view of Christchurch. I think it's like a 10-minute walk up the mountain. This is the gondola ride, which gives you like an entire view. But I think we walked up. Good decision. I love the view. Crazy. The water is like so nice here. It's like blue. Wow. We're going back now. The roads are a little rocky, so don't wear heels and come, guys. We are on Regan Street, which is like the downtown of this place. It's slowly getting cold and cold.
Cathedral, we are going to cathedral.
Where is the cathedral?
I don't know. Mom said we are going to some cathedral.
Christchurch Cathedral. It's written
Okay.
here.
Now what is that phone?
Let's sit now in the tram, Mom. It's for $40, 2,000 rupees per person. Come now.
Okay, okay, let's go.
Small break for waffle. What's this thing in the middle of here?
Yeah, chocolate. That's chocolate. मैं खा क्यों नहीं पा रहा हूँ? इसमें मेरे.
That is churros. ये हमारा आइसक्रीम निकाले.
It's tasting nice
इसका
only.
बैटर मस्त है.
Ah, and it is so soft because of the egg only. We thought of leaving her behind. She's posing. I'm not taking photos, I'm taking a video. Come. Photo bombing. Now we're going back to the car and now we're going for some shopping. Because then the mall shuts at 6 p.m. And something that we need to shop. I don't think you get shopping anywhere else. We've come to the store, guys. The mall. We were not able to find so many brands. We exactly have 45 minutes to shop. Let's see if we can make it. It's called Westfield Riccarton. I just bought H&M right now. But I'm not sure if we should go to H&M in like New Zealand. I mean, coming here, going to H&M, I think I'm going to find the same things. I wanted to look for some local brands, yeah. This looks a little promising. Let's try. Just got jewelry for like 3,000 rupees, like rings and earrings, that's all. Finally found a few things which I can try. They have this really cool thing. Need a size below, please. Yes. Cool. These guys are so strict about timing. They literally chucked us out at 6 p.m. But I quickly bought like a few things. It's not like wow, but it's cute. Kitna strict tha na?
I know.
India
I said
mein
India
they will
में
be like,
होता
please,
तो हाँ please please. Bye.
We've come to a sunset point now. It's called Cashmere Hill something. Cashmere Hill. I don't know. Something like that. It's quite cold. Crazy sunset. We're back in the hotel. The day comes to an end. It was a cute little day with fam. Now we've come home. We're gonna quickly eat and sleep because I still think we're kind of jet lagged. And tomorrow we leave for Hotitika. Day 3. And now we're leaving from Christchurch and going to Hotitika. I think it's going to be like a 3 hours journey. I've dressed different today. I think I look like I'm going to play tennis. Loading, unloading of bags is going to happen now. Whew. Filling the petrol on our own. It's quite cold. I don't know why I was sleeveless, but I thought it's like we won't get off anywhere. But we did. We are going to see Castle Hill. Castle Hill? Okay. Harshad comes everywhere with us. How cute. He is my photographer. It's a nice place if you want to just go get some photos.
You can see like these in Rajasthan also.
Then you go to Rajasthan. We have reached Hotitika. I think this is like a very small place, so things shut early. We're looking for lunch places to eat now quickly before we go to Airbnb. My mom asked कि इधर We Fast और Dunzo नहीं आता है क्या? Show your face. We Fast or Dunzo.
Do you want some small plates
Yeah.
to share?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
Nachos, cheese garlic bread, and fries. Harshad and I are waiting in the car until Umang and Meera get some grocery. Why are you sitting like this bodybuilder type? Sit properly, na?
Yeah. Okay. Hi. Welcome to our vlog. Chappal and Chappal.
No, that's not couple and couple. It's Astha Shah, personal channel.
तो मैंने बोला चप्पल and चप्पल. Welcome to our vlog, Astha Shah 97. Perfect.
This is our stay in. It's actually Hokitika. I don't know why I have pronounced it as Hotitika, and you can actually go to the beach from our lawn, but it's a little bit of a gloomy day. It's been raining. See, look at this coffee. It's also nice.
Wow, let's have coffee here.
Yeah,
Who's gonna make
sure.
for
Let's
me?
have coffee.
Who's gonna make for me?
You also can have chocolate also. Hot chocolate.
Even you can have. It's fine. No, mom has punished him.
I'm not punished. Umang called less.
Wow.
मेरे को मैं इच्छा था बट इतना गीला है ना सब मर से खराब हो जाएगा.
This entire thing is our lawn. Crazy. Walking to see if the beach is right here. Okay, I can see it. We're walking closer and closer to the beach. Okay, this place is like a seated place where you can sit and drink tea or whatever you want. Oh, it's cold. I'm not gonna go till there because the sand is very wet, but you can see the beach. You can see the sunset from here. Yeah. We are staying here for 2 nights. Today was a very rainy day, so we couldn't do much. Like, we just came back, we're tired also. I slept for an hour right now. I'm excited to eat hot Maggie, and abhi bas chill karenge. And tomorrow it's like a small town with like small places here and there. We're just going to roam around for a while, and maybe I have a few things to shoot, so I think I'm going to like start shooting and stuff now. So pretty. It's the next morning. I have been shooting since morning, so I couldn't really like vlog anything. I was thinking like, so this Airbnb is done on collab. That's why I had to make like a reel on this. And yeah, the best part is yesterday was gloomy, but today it's extremely sunny, if you can see. The prettiest part is that the sea is right there. It's sunny, but it's yet so like windy, so it's not like hot. And it was beautiful. I had like coffee here in the morning because there's like a chair right here where you can sit and have coffee. It's such a nice day. So honestly, a lot of people have been asking me about the food here. There are no issues of food till now that we've had. We've only been to 2 places actually. There's vegetarian everywhere. It's just that the place we are in right now, Hokitika, things shut early, like by like 3:34, and again it opens at like 5 and ends at like 10. There aren't many options because this is a small town, but it's a nice relaxing place, you know. This is where you can literally eat, and it's so pretty. Today I've done a more formal look. This is my look for the day. I've made my hair like this. We're set to go. Again, I've worn heels for trekking.
Ishas never change.
We have come to the Hockey Tika Gorge viewpoint. Another day, another trek to Hockey Tika. What is it? Gorge.
Hockey Tika.
It's like walking through the jungles.
Astasha 97.
He's vlogging
On my
randomly.
own. Vlog. Astasha.
You don't know how to vlog only, Dad. It's like a 5-minute walk. It's a cute, nice trail. It was shut ahead, so now we're looking for another way to go there. It looks quite pretty from here
Have
though.
you seen this kind of jungle ever in your life? No, no. You can see through my eyes. So you can see through my eyes, guys.
You're not shooting only anything, your camera's not on, you fool.
Okay. So guys, this is the jungle of New Zealand. You can see through my eyes. Have you ever seen anything like this? No. See now. No.
Pretty. But is it pretty? Kidhar hai? Wow. This is the actual view. We walked down some crazy stones to just take photos and videos. What do you have to do to be a content creator? And now we're walking back to the car.
She cannot walk because she cannot walk fast. So,
We randomly spotted a waterfall. So we are going there now. What is it called? Dograti. This waterfall I see in Lonavala also. Wasn't that great? Don't stop by. Back to the room. Again, too tired. Just gonna eat some dinner, and apparently tonight there's some glow and dark thing, so we're gonna go for that now. We are here. It's literally 2 minutes away. We went to the other one, not the non-commercial one. Good morning, guys. It's from the next day. We have just left from Hockey Tika and now we're going to Paringa. The next few places are just for a night stay because we want to break the drive. Right now, I have booked this place on the way, which is like through the helicopter we can see the Fox Glacier. I don't know how much of snow will be there, but let's see how it goes. I just got this jacket from a
Yeah.
local store. It looks like a bunny.
smokers can strictly.
We're looking for places to eat now. This one here, like while we're on the way, this is not like a proper village or city area. So here there was mainly non-vegetarian and no vegetarian food, though we found another cafe which has like pizzas and stuff. I think the most common thing to eat abroad for vegetarians is pizza, like a margherita, because you cannot go wrong there, and no non-veg. And in the next 1 hour is my helicopter ride. I hope I get snow. I don't know if I will. I forgot to mention that the jacket is only for 1200 Indian rupees. Needed hot chocolate. We had some really yummy food. It was Cafe Nev. It's on the way from Hockey Tika to the Fox Glacier helicopter thing we're going for. If you come here, please stop. It was extremely yummy. I'm supposed to go there, but right now it's cloudy, so they've told me to come half an hour later. I hope it doesn't get cancelled, guys. My brother likes taking us to some random scary places. So now we're going inside this gufa. We have reached Paringa Cottage. We're literally staying between the trees in the middle of the mountain. My dad is vlogging for his artificial channel. This is the hall. Kitchen, open kitchen. Bedroom. The next bedroom. Crazy. Loving it. Wow. I'm a little sad, guys, because of the weather. The Fox Glacier helicopter thing got cancelled, and we directly drove to our Airbnb right now. We are here. I quickly just shot a video. It's like 7:30, but I've just been constantly shooting. I don't know how people like do vlogs, reels, everything together. I'm gonna eat today and sleep early mostly. Food cooked by my mom
And your bro.
and my brother.
No, mom only.
We always stop by to take some photos of me. My dad takes all my photos. I've taught him all the angles, cutie little. My dad is imitating me.
Yeah, so if I would have lost some weight, then even I would have posed like this.
Guys, my mom was complaining in the morning that she didn't want to wear this jacket. It's mine, long one. Please tell her it's looking nice. And she was complaining that it doesn't look nice.
A lot of compliments.
Some random lady complimented on the road right now.
Saying ki yeah, looking very nice.
Okay, this is the better view, I think. Are you prepared for a challenging hike?
It is.
We're going to the waterfall, which is 2 minutes away. No, yeah, people have made this stone thing. Now we are also going to do it to reach 2 million. We made 20 for 2 million. Hee. We have reached Wanaka and now we're just going to eat some food. Such a cool place. There are so many eating places together at once. I love this vibe so much. We've ordered from every place.
Number 3 कौन सा है? Fuck, हम लोग को ये वाला मिला है.
Konza? Reception is shut. So they had written it over there. They had written, Astha Shah. Third one. And here's where we are staying. This is the view straight from our motel. Amazing. But I like the place, yeah. It's very white.
वही उमंग ये बोला कि चल उनका रिव्यू देखते पहले खाना.
Quick change. And we've come to the Lavender Farm. Wow. You get like skincare products and stuff. Crazy.
I've not been goats in so many years. Oh, I'm so thrilled.
We can literally walk through them, but right now it's not the season. That's why it's not like fully grown. It's early morning in Wanaka and I'm wearing this Kalki outfit to go shoot in the mountains. It's so long. I've been awake since 6 o'clock getting ready, guys. It's insane. What do you have to do for content? We shot for like an hour. I don't know how it's come. It's damn cold. My hands are freezing, guys. I don't know how the video has come. First, we were not liking the frame, but we eventually kind of liked the frame, and I just want to get done shooting with this Indian outfit. Whew. We have come for breakfast now, and by the way, this is my outfit for today. Everything looks so nice, guys. Guys, everything looks so nice. I want to have the Belgian biscuit and the eclair. We loved it so much, guys, that we took parcel as well. One Belgian biscuit and one donut. We have stopped by at Arrowtown. Such beautiful things. We have left for Tiano, and in the middle of that this small little town comes. It's called Arrowtown and it's very cute and small. Three hours drive to Tiano, and this is where we are staying. It's a motel, and right opposite is the lake again. So pretty, everything is. Wow. Every drive has been like 3.5 hours. My brother has been driving. I was too tired today, so I literally slept in like most of the car drive because I was shooting in the morning. But let's say I think right now we're just gonna eat something at home because we've been cooking a lot of home food, and then maybe at night we go out. But I love this place. It's very pretty and it's cute. It's nice. I like it. And see, mom and dad are like taking photos already. We've come to some place near our hotel where we have to walk to Lake Tianu. And as usual, my mom is walking slow. Lee. Wow. Crazy. Good morning, guys. It's 8 a.m. Not even full sunrise has happened here, and we're going to one of the most famous places here. We are in Tianu right now, and we are driving to Milford Sound, which is 2 hours away. And it's a little bit of a cruise which goes to this very pretty place, which you will of course see in the vlog when I'm talking about it later. But yeah, this is my outfit for the day. I love this outfit. I bought it from Myntra and actually express delivery in one day for like 1200 rupees, which is quite cool.
Really see a cloud here. Is that fog or cloud? I think it's a cloud.
We are walking to the boat right now. Such a pretty walkway, dude. We've reached, and now we are going to the terminal. Our 4 boarding passes are here. And that's our cruise, guys. It's a 2 hours cruise and we've just gotten here. The view is already looking so amazing. Harshad Shah shooting for his own vlog. We can literally see a rainbow, guys. Rainbow. I'm someone who feels extremely dizzy. I have like seasickness, but sometimes you have to do this. Like I've done scuba diving and stuff, so you have to go in these things for experiences, and I'm up for that. I have this medicine called Domstar just so that I don't vomit. But yes. How did you like the cruise?
Yeah, it was very good.
Yeah, but he's been to US, so he doesn't like anything other than US.
Huh?
We are done with the Milford Sound. It was $110 New Zealand dollars per person. It was a nice cruise, like a scenic kind of a cruise. It was a little cold also. We saw 1-2 waterfalls and stuff. If you come here, I think this is one of like the famous things to attend. So you should do this, I think. And I got really nice pictures, of course, because my outfit is my favorite outfit what I'm wearing today. They don't really take you through the waterfall, but they take you close to it, so it's not that you have to carry anything because you don't end up like getting wet or anything. Anyways, now we are heading to a new place called Manipura, I think, which is close to Tianu, like 10 minutes away, because we wanted to break the drive again and then head to Queenstown tomorrow, where we're staying for 3 days. But yeah, this was part 1 of South New Zealand because I don't want to fit all the places in one vlog. It was a nice, cute, fun trip until now. We've not done so many experiences because most of it is now onwards, like skydiving and bungee jumping, etc. Our stays were amazing, everything was amazing. I loved every place had a different vibe, and I'm sure you saw it throughout the vlog. But if you like my videos, please go like, share, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.